Hello friends, and welcome back to the channel for this special Elvis Presley Advent Calendar build series. Today is December 4th, and we are going to be opening up the box for December 4th. Real quick, if this is your first time on the channel, thanks for tuning in and welcome. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. For all of my returning viewers and subscribers, thank you so much for all of your support. I really appreciate it. And now let's get into box number 4. Let's see, box number 4 is right here. Let's pull that. And again, if you missed the other episodes, the previous episodes, there'll be links in the description. All right, let's see what we're getting today. Okay, we have a little piece of cardboard with some pictures on both sides. Looks like a stage and a guitar, an amp, maybe a music stand, and here we have some drums and a guitar. All right, well, let's close up this box first, and we'll place that back in the calendar. And as you can see, we are starting to form a second picture there. All right, let's check out December 4th in the book and see what it has to say. All right, this section talks about another Fleetwood 60s series. This is about the first new Cadillac that Elvis bought back in, I believe, 1955. So you hear a lot about his pink Cadillac that he gave his mother. Well, apparently when he bought his first Cadillac, it didn't come in pink. He really didn't have too much of a choice on the color. Apparently it originally had a blue finish and a black roof, but he took it to a painter and they painted it the custom Elvis Rose color, and then he gave this car to his mother. Interesting enough, his mother never drove the car because she had never taken a driving lesson. Later on, he had the roof changed to a white roof, so I guess it was pink and black initially. He had the upholstery redone, and apparently he just really loved this car. And I think this is one of the really iconic cars that we think about sometimes when we think about Elvis. All right, let's see what box 4 says today. It says, today's box holds a large stand-up. I don't know how large that is, but okay. This is your first major design element for your very own Elvis world. Okay, so we'll be putting that somewhere later on. So we're just gonna set that aside and keep it safe. And that will do it for December 4th. So I will see you guys tomorrow for December 5th. Until then, I hope you guys are having a great holiday season and a great day. So be safe out there and go build something.